Sendai, the largest city in the Tohoku region. At the site of the Sendai Castle on Mount Aoba, where you can see the city, was famous for a Sengoku warlord. The first lord of the Sendai clan, Masamune Date, is represented with his statue of him on horseback from where you can get a panoramic view of the city of Sendai. There are crafts that use unusual rare materials. Sendai bogwood crafts, with beautiful dark brown wood grain. Atakiyu Craft Park, craftsmen working in traditional Japanese crafts that have been handed down from olden times for their livelihoods work. At his bogwood craft workshop and home in the Akiyu Traditional Crafts Village, he continues to make bogwood crafts. Mr. Takashi Kotake lives and works here. He entered the road from the age of 15 and had a career of 57 years. In order to prevent the craft from being lost, in 2012, he decided to take on an apprentice with financial support from Sendai City. He chose Mizuno Suzuki, who had just graduated from a local women's university. Bogwood craft is made from a carbonized material in the stage of fossilization, which has been buried for about 5 million years. The bogwood craft is a traditional handcraft created since the Edo period. Lower-ranked samurai warriors would find the material and use it to craft dishes and other items as a side job. In the late Meiji period and the Taisho period, lignite became popular as a source of domestic fuel, and the number of craftsmen of bogwood increased as more material was produced. However, eventually petroleum took over as the source of domestic fuel, and the amount of lignite production had stopped in the 1950s, and as a result, the amount of bogwood craft production had stopped too. Now only one craftsman makes bogwood crafts and continues to keep the traditional technique alive. It seems to be a simple spoon at first glance, but the bottom part is designed to be easy to hold, and the thickness of the spoon is changed lightly. In addition, this is one of the features of the buried tree work, the art of nature born over the long years. Now only one craftsman makes bogwood crafts and continues to keep the traditional technique alive. First of all, you have to choose the right surface of the raw buried wood. I think the color of brown teeth is better, and the color of black is not so good. Oxidation makes the work more difficult because it blocks oxygen and heats the wood to the next state, so it gets darker and harder.